Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my second tutorial on Android app development. In this video, I will teach you how to create an app and how to create the user interface of your app and the logic of your app. So let's get started. In here we have a default label. You can see here, or you can say it a text view. I will delete it, and you can see here you can find plain text view, large text, medium text, small text, buttons, checkbox, switch, image view. You can use any of them if you want. Alright, so first of all I will pick this large text and I can drag and drop everywhere, anywhere. So I paste it here, and if I want to change the text I can write name. Now I need to take the input from the user. So text field I will select from one of those. Plain text, person name, password numeric, so I will select plain text. Or you can also select person name. Here let me create this edit text. Alright, and now I need a button. Show. So I have created the interface of my application, and I have here I have used an edit text to take the input from the user, a text view and a button. So I have to write the logic of my application so that when anyone presses this show button, a toast message should be displayed. I will teach you what is a toast message. So you have learned how to use edit text and text view. So I let's go in Java file. Here I need to take the I need to initialize those edit text and text view. So in order to initialize, I need to use the class name edit text. Here there is an error, but if I press Alt enter, the variable will be edit. So you can see this is edit text, and I can say I need E1. Edit text is a class and E1 is the object of that class. Now I have to link this object with the object I used in XML. Alright, this one. Its ID is edit text. So I will need to take the E1 equals to find view by ID or dot ID dot edit text. You can see here edit text is present. But now you can see here is an error, that because we have not casted the object, so it's fine. Alright, similarly you can initialize all the objects you created in XML file. If I want to initialize this text view, I can initialize it like text view T1. I name it T1. Similarly, I do this T1 equals to text view, find view by ID or dot id dot text view. Alright, here the id of his text view. Similarly, if I want an image view here, no, if I want a radio button here, okay. Now how will I initialize it in my Java file? I will use radio button rb1. Alright, similarly I will initialize it as rb1 equals to radio button, finally by id dot radio button. Alright, this is the way of initializing your XML objects in Java. So I will delete it as I was only showing you. So as I told you that I want to show the name of the person which I input and when I press the show button. So for this I have to specify a function. Okay, that function will be called when user will press show button. So how will I create the function? Public void my function. Alright, here I can write anything, so the when user will press show button, this function will be called. So here I have to take the input which user entered. How to take input? You can take your input in, I want a string variable, string my name equals to. Now how will you get the input from edit text? If you remember, we created this object e1 for this edit text, so we will use e1 dot get text. Alright, now this is showing an error because we have not converted it to string. Now it's fine. This is the way of getting the input from the user and save it in string my name. Alright, now whatever the user will enter in this edit text, the text will be saved in string called my name. Now I want to print the name. How can I print the name? In Android there is a message called toast message, so I will use this toast message, toast dot make text. In here I have to specify the context, in which context I am showing the message, in which activity I am showing the message, you can say. So here I can write only this. Alright, and here I have to specify the message, so I write your name is. Now I will use my name and in here I will specify for how long this message should be displayed, either short or long. I will select long dot show. This is the way of showing anything on the screen of your Android phone. So our app is ready, but no. Do you know how we will link this function with this button? You can use on click method here, Android on click. Alright, but this is not a preferable way. You can use here here on click. This button has a lot of properties. You can select either this background, you can change the background of your button. Alright, but now in on click I need to specify, oh, the function is not displayed here. Why? Because we have not passed the view object here. What is view object? This view is the provides the link between XML and Java file. Alright, you have to pass this view object here. Now you can see our function is here, but if we remove this, the function will not be here. If I will remove this, this function will not be here. So I have to pass the view object here, and now I select my function here. Our app is ready, so I have to run it on my mobile phone. Let's run this app which we have created. It will take time to compile the project, so you have to wait. Meanwhile, I show you what will we be covering this. We will be covering all this. Threads in Android, this view, concept, contextual menu, async tasks, socket programming, simple chat application, location coordinates in Android, and similarly all that. Our app is compiled successfully, so now run it. You can see our app is now running. Let me enter something here. I will enter my name. When I click show, now you can see a toast message is displayed. Again I press rename. If I change, you can see your name is ANC. So I hope you have learned the basics of Android. Goodbye.